Good afternoon. It is Saturday, March 7th. It's 2:31 p.m. It's got overcast clouds. Temperature's at 66. It feels like 65. You got 6-mile-an-hour winds and 77% humidity. I've had a lot of issues with my computer. I did go live a little bit, and somehow my YouTube went off, but my Facebook stayed on because we had a tornado warning earlier this morning. It wasn't in Chester. It was kind of a weird shape area, but south of St. Mary's and Perryville, Missouri, going into Rockwood area was under a tornado warning. If you woke up to thunderstorms this morning, that's what that was. But right now, it looks like we're clear on radar. We do have some showers around Poplar Bluff, with West Plains, Union City, Paducah, Kentucky, and those areas. And it looks like light rain on this radar. Other than that, as you can see, we have a 2% tornado risk from Shreveport all the way up to New York, close to Buffalo. And right here, this brown, or actually this gray area, looks like it's just something new that they've come out on with the National Weather Service. But let me get on my draw tool real quick. This gray area.
New information.
Let me get to another color.
Has been updated.
Let's go with yellow. Okay, and erase that right here. That gray area, not the brown, is a significant tornado conditional intensity, and right now it's at a level 1. That means it's up to EF2, possible tornado at 20%. If one develops, it could be up to a EF2. Other than that, right around in this brown, you got the 5% tornado risk, slight risk. And all that in the green is your marginal risk, 2% tornado risk in those areas. Unfortunately, last night, let me go ahead and erase that real quick. Last night, we've had approximately 6 deaths, 4 up in Michigan, as you can see right there. Get off of that real quick. Erase that. All right, yeah, so we had 4 deaths in Michigan, just south of Syracuse, or Kalamazoo, south of Kalamazoo, going into Union City, 3 Rivers, and there was 3 deaths in one location and another death in southern Michigan. In Oklahoma, we had 2 deaths yesterday and 2 deaths on Thursday due to tornadic activity. If you've seen, I posted a few things yesterday about where I thought the tornadoes were going to be. I said north of McAllister. First, it was, I changed it because, like I said, these things change every hour until you get to the evening time when it really happens. So I said south of Tulsa and north of McAllister, and you can see right in here all these little dots. Even in Tulsa, those tornadoes happen. Thursday, a mother and daughter passed away. That was the other 2 driving home, trying to get out of the storm, and they got caught up in it. Anyways, other than that, that's what we got as far as the national weather. We can go ahead and put it on the national radar, and you can see these storms are all the way from San Antonio, pretty much going all the way up to Ottawa in Canada. So we did have a lot of hail reports, a lot of damages, trees you can see around Kansas City, Columbia,
Attention,
and going into Peoria.
has been issued.
And it looks like Salem had some damage from these winds, and you see it's just pushing through. Other than that, let's go ahead and get to your 7-day forecast. And I think tomorrow, if you look at a lot of your apps, it's showing maybe around 60 something degrees. I think I'm seeing one that says 69. The latest run I've got is showing 59 as far as tomorrow's high. The low 44, and then it's going to be sunny. Monday, March 2nd, you got a high of 66, a low of 60 sunny. Tuesday, March 3rd, you got a high of 73, a low of 66. And we're going to look at when the rains are going to come. I'm thinking around 1, and then going through the evening into Wednesday. And we'll take a look at that on Pivotal Weather. So Wednesday, March 4th, you got a high of 70, a low of 35, 75% chance of rain showers. Thursday, March 5th, you got a high of 59, a low of 41. It's going to be mostly sunny, have a few clouds. Friday, March 6th, you got a high of 63, a low of 48, and again sunny with some clouds. Saturday, March 7th, a high of 50 and a low of 41. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick at Pivotal Weather at the timing of these showers. So what we're looking at, and you see the light green right there, that is light showers, and that's right about 1 p.m. on Tuesday as of right now, and this is the European model. And you see we get around 4 p.m. and going through Wednesday, this is 1 a.m. and right there is about 10 a.m. on Wednesday and clearing out by 1 p.m. So that is what the European model is showing as far as the rain going from Wednesday into Tuesday. So expect from about 1 p.m. on Tuesday to, what did I say? 1 p.m. on Wednesday for some showers to come through. Other than that, that's all I got, guys. Again, when these storms come through, always stay weather aware. Make sure you have your weather radios operating. This is now starting the season for these tornadoes to happen. So I wish I could have been on live last night, but I had daddy-daughter dance here in Chester. But I wasn't expecting anything severe in Chester this morning. But unfortunately, these lines were packing some winds. You guys have a good rest of your week, and I'll see you next Saturday unless something comes up this week. Like I said, depending on whatever app you're looking at, right now HRRR is showing tomorrow a little cooler than what you're seeing. Other than that, you guys have a good rest of your weekend.